Subscribe to our channel.
Hey everyone, it's Bam and Kit, and today we are coming back with another episode of Slime. In case you don't know, this is Valley Cat, Kit, and Baby Bam. Alright, have you guys ever wondered what would happen if you mix slime, Play-Doh, and Orbeez together? Guess what? We're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, and then you'll see what happens. Let's get on with the video.
Slime Fest.
I just want to give a big shout out to all our fans and subscribers. And to all the new subscribers, yes, I want to give a big shout out to you guys too. Alright, let's start opening the slime. Let's do this. Alright, so I think I'm going to start out with the naughty or nice slime. You can either get a piece of cola or a piece of gold.
Hey, Kit.
Oh, and Valley Cat is going to open this egg slime. Am I good as gold or did I get coal? Let's see. Ooh, I see something glittery. It's gold!
Kit, is that real gold?
I'm not sure. And look at this slime. It's gooey. This is like very watery slime. And this is the piece of gold. Let's see what you got. Oh! Valley Cat got a good egg. She got a good egg. You could either get a good egg or a rotten egg. Oh, whoa! All right, and let's see what Baby Bam got. Ooh, he got orange. Is that putty or it feels like putty, but it's very stretchable like slime. Guys, it's very fun to play with. And this is the yolk that's inside of it. Guys, this feels like water.
Kit, there's a yolk inside of it.
Wait, what if we switch the yolk for the coal, or I mean the gold? It's a golden yolk.
I need a golden yolk. Yeah.
And look, I got a yolk.
A purple yolk.
This is a very watered egg and a very huge one too.
That's pretty slimy.
All right, on to the next.
Okay.
All right, let's put these back.
I put mine back.
So Valley Cat, what did you think of your slime?
So fantastic.
All right, now let's choose a different one.
Wait a second.
Do you want to get this pink one?
Sure.
Slime Fest. All right, guys, this is our next slime. I got North Pole Galaxy slime.
Which one did I get?
You got the same thing. North
I
Pole
did.
Galaxy slime.
That's what I get.
Ooh, you got Silly Sludge. Oh no, it was off. All right, and it says that it'll come with a cube that says if you're naughty or nice. All right, let's start opening.
Wow. It's gold in it.
Look, mine is like kind of see-through. Oh, I see my cube.
Look at
I see my cube too.
Here, that cute. Oh, there it is.
What did you get? Here, let's do it. Ooh, dump it right here. Oh,
Cool.
these feel like water.
Oh.
This is some very beautiful slime. It looks like world slime. Or maybe it kind of looks like ocean slime. What do you think?
Am I naughty or nice?
Let's roll it. Oh, Oh no, you got coal. Let's try that again. Naughty. Oh, you're nice.
What is it? You can float around in the water. So you think
I got I got
like that.
I don't know what it means.
Look at it all over the table.
Likely.
Let's go. And I go in the water. Alright.
Alright. This is look at the slime. Ah!
Keep it slow.
Wait, did you do that? Oh, it makes the popping sound.
Ew, mine too. It sounds like water. Yeah!
Oh, it's slime farted.
My slime farted. You hear my slime farted?
Look, this is a see-through piece of slime. It looks like crystal almost.
Hey, look. And look at my slime. It has like some kind of gold inside of it. And it's so sticky. Make sure to have a look out of these because these are so fun.
And we highly recommend it.
My slime My slime farted.
Oh, your slime farted. Wait, guys. Let's just take a minute to listen.
I can put my here.
Hey guys,
I can't
speaking of coal, his looks like coal. Because it's black, it looks like coal. Alright guys, on to the next slime.
Slime fest.
Alright, this may look like some delicious food. Maybe like spaghetti, macaroni and cheese, and chili. But it has a twist. Alright, here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Let's open. But the twist is, it's actually,
Look what I got, cute.
slime.
Cute, look at what I got.
I got the same thing. Make sure not to eat it. It's slime. Let's make some delicious spaghetti. Let's get the sauce. Kind of pat it down. Spaghetti. Let's get the spaghetti. Let's kind of wrap it like a little spaghetti.
Now I do now.
And now let's plop the sauce on it. Doesn't that look like some delicious spaghetti?
Slime.
Alright. Put your.
No, I don't want it.
You don't want your macaroni in your.
Yeah, I go get one.
BBM, what does your slime look like?
Pink. It looks like color bananas.
It looks like the color of bananas.
Pink.
Yeah. Alright guys, time for the experiment. We got red Play-Doh, the galaxy slime, and the Orbeez. Let's see what happens if we mix all of them together. What do you think will happen, Valley Cat?
I do not know.
What do you think?
Good.
You think it's gonna turn out good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. I think it's gonna turn out into complete chaos. Let's try it.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
Okay, be careful. Because some Orbeez are gonna open it. Kind
Here,
of.
here, open it like this. that's the very watery one.
Yes.
Alright. So we got the Play-Doh. Alright guys, satisfying moment.
Push it.
Satisfying.
I like this. And guys, I say don't grab it. Guys, these look like real chocolate chips.
Pretty bossy. No, don't mix it yet. Don't mix it yet. Alright, let's get some of the Play-Doh. Let's get this much. And let's mix it in with the slime. Ooh, it's not mixing. Uh-oh. Is this gonna be a fail?
Can't mix it now. I can't mix it now.
I don't think that we can mix it. Maybe we can just try to squish it in.
I want to mix it.
Anyway, this is not working at all. This is not working. Alright, now let's try to add the Orbeez.
Ew, can't look. Can't look at this.
Trying to break it.
Can't look. I look.
Ew. I was right. This turned into complete chaos.
Oh no.
The slime became a little deactivated, I think. Like a little deactivated because of the Play-Doh. And it didn't mix in because this slime, when you try to break it, it goes like this. It's not mixable. And the Orbeez just made like little clumps in the slime. I don't know what made it deactivate. Guys, look.
Guys, look at these Orbeez. They are fun to play with. And make sure if you have a bottle or a container of Orbeez, make sure. And if you put water in the and wait for it to grow, then they will be like this.
Now we can't try to feel this. Look at it.
Oh,
Feel it. It's really fun to play with, but it's a fail.
I can't put this in here.
Actually, guys, it looks like it is mixing.
Can't look, it looks like a water fountain or it's overflowing.
Alright. It actually is turning purple. Because like they say, blue and red makes purple.
Oh, it's so sticky. The Orbeez are bouncing away.
Maybe if we kind of do this. Maybe.
No. It looks like so sticky.
Alright. Look at this slime.
Kit, that looks like purple slime.
Yes, it is purple slime.
I see kind of like some red chunks of it inside of there. Like the chunks of
It sounds really nice.
Ooh, oh man, this is cool.
I wonder if it still has that splatter. Alright guys, that completes the end of this video. If you guys have any more slime ideas, make sure to put it down in the comments. Alright, that wraps it up. Bye!
Bye!
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! We'll make more episodes for you.
More episodes. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, it's about that time for those shout outs. Here we go. Kids Fun TV. Kia Sierra Taylor. Toy Fams, where you at? There you are. I want to give a big shout out to Bin Bin, Chocolatey Fun, Cami G Creative Channel, Calico Girls, Heidi Bug SPK, Princesa and Toys, Winter Plays, Vicky, where you at? There you are, Vicky's Fantastic World, Leanne Hutchings, Aisha and Toys, Bubblegum Hotel, Fun 3 Kids, Super Mom Go, Jado Toys, My Toy Store, RRR Toys, Shy Wolfie, Kawaii Unicorn. You all have amazing channels and keep creating. And if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thank you.
Thank you.